It's probably one of the most iconic signs in the world, and I'm lucky enough to get to live right below it. I'm Ross King. Welcome to my wee Scottish castle. First thing you see when you come into my house is the thistle. It's the emblem of Scotland. Why? Bit of a clue, I am Scottish. This little section is kind of like, well, let's be honest, it's a little bit of showing off, isn't it? For me, lighting is very important. If you look at this face, yeah, lighting's very, very important. And also just to create a little bit of a mood, a little bit of movie magic. And one of my favorite moments, meeting Queen Elizabeth II, one of the proudest days of my life. These are 4 News Emmys. You can get them on eBay. And then this is probably one of my favorite ones. It's the first time I ever got man of the match. I wasn't even playing. I always think it is important to have a place that you can work and you can relax into. I absolutely love biographies, as you can tell. I will never ever do a biography myself, but I'm very lucky to have written a couple of books with my wonderful writing partner, Shari Lowe. And then all my other little bits of memorabilia here, people that I've met and interviewed over the years. And sometimes I like to come in here, do a little bit of work, and then just have a little look round and think, what a lucky boy I am. Now this is one of the most famous cartoons. It's called The Bruins, or as you would say here, The Browns. So not only did they put me in it, they put my pal Jerry Butler in it too. And once I've done working for the day, there is no better place than the cuddle chair. This is one of my favorite chairs. I actually stole the idea from a James Bond movie and made this the cuddle chair. I deliberately draped all these fake furs on the cuddle chair just to make it as inviting and welcoming as possible. Originally when I came here, the beams were exposed, but they were all very dark. So I thought, just let's paint everything white, but also add in a little bit of wood when it comes to the table too. This is probably my most favorite piece in the whole of the house. And this is Jackie Collins sofa. It evokes true Hollywood glamour. And also what is lovely is that the cushions actually came from my sister. I've got bits of home from Scotland, and then I've got Jackie Collins sofa. In the kitchen, again, I wanted everything to be big and to be bright. I chose this quartz here, which just reflects really well the light. I love to put in some of the older lighting here as well to go with the under cabinet lighting. And also I got all the cabinets refinished with that shabby chic look. And then brightness. I want to actually wash the dishes and look at the Hollywood sign. It's really important for me to have bits of home. And these cups you see underneath here actually came from Buckingham Palace. It is Royal Collection Fabergé. I have no idea what that means, but I'm sure it's fancy. After food and drink, what else do you need? A nap. Let's check out the bedroom. And at the end of a long, hard day, or sometimes it's a very long, hard morning, there's nothing I like better than a good sleep. And oh, this is the most comfortable bed in the world. A little Austin Powers-ish, but yeah, baby. I wanted my bed to be really welcoming, and I wanted to have this royal blue to go with the king connection. And I love the idea of it looking like it was circular, but it's not actually circular. It's smoke and mirrors. It's Hollywood. Now, this downstairs patio gives you a completely different feel. It's a little bit like Malibu down here because I've put in the blue colors as well, just to give you that feeling of the ocean. And also it drops right down into the pool. So that's my real Malibu, in the boo feel here. But of course, I'm never far away from work, and I'm very lucky to have a TV studio right here. This is where I spend so much of my working time. I'm doing TV here for Scotland, for England, for Australia, for New Zealand. So it's all completely soundproof. I can do my voiceovers here too. You know what? I'm lucky to have a place like this in my home. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by and having a wee look round my Hollywood home. And as we say in the business, back to you in the studio.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.